In this video, I'm going to explain how to create this kind of a flange pipe bend using the SolidWorks. Okay, this is the 2D drawing for this flange pipe bend. I will give a link to download this PDF in my video description. Okay, let's see how to create this kind of flange pipe bend. Okay, let's close this one. Okay, file part drawing, click OK. In here, first of all, I'm going to create this pipe section. To create the pipe section, I'm going to use the swept command. To use the swept command, we need the axis and profile. First of all, I'm going to create this pipe axis on a front plane. Then I'm going to create the pipe cross section. Then we can use the swept command to create this pipe part. Okay. To draw the pipe axis, I'm going to select the front plane. Go to sketch, select the front plane and go to sketch. First of all, I'm going to draw the vertical line. To draw the arc, start from this point. Then take the tip a little bit away from this point. Then again take it coincide with this point. Then take it away. Here you can see arc created. In this way, we can create the arc. Okay, then again horizontal line. Here you can see the pipe axis. So then we are ready to dimension. Here 150. The arc radius 260. Here also 150. Okay, let's dimension this one. Okay, here this line, this vertical line and the arc already tangent, but this horizontal line and this arc we have to make it tangent. Select the border line with the control sign and go to tangent. Okay, also okay. Now we have the fully defined sketch. Okay, then next we are going to draw the profile. That means the cross section of the pipe. Cross section of the pipe. Here the diameters are 290 outer and inner 210. Let's draw the cross section. Exit sketch. To draw the cross section, I'm going to take the top plane, then select the top plane and go to sketch. $290. Okay, this is the pipe cross section. Okay, exit sketch. Here now we are having the cross section, pipe cross section and the path. So then we are going to use the swept boss base command to take this cross section along this path to create the volume. Okay, select this command. So then here you can see the sketch 2, the profile already selected. So then if not selected, you have to give this sketch 2 as the profile. Then the path, I'm going to select this sketch 1. From this design tree, you can select that one. Here you can see the preview. Here you can see the pipe section. Okay. So then let's see how to create the pipe flange. Here 360, 260 and yeah, corner radius 20. Okay, I'm going to draw on this face. Select this face and go to sketch. So I'm going to take the center rectangle, the square flange 360. This dimension 360. Then this corner radius is equal to 20. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Then the pipe hole is 210. So then we are going to draw the holes. Holes outer diameter equal to 60. 60. Then inner diameter is equal to 30. 30. Then this distance given from this line to this dimension 50 millimeter. This dimension already taken. This is a square section that is already taken. So then to draw other holes, I am going to use the mirror command. To use the mirror command, first of all I am going to draw this horizontal and vertical axes. Then we can easily mirror vertical. Okay. Then I am going to use the mirror command. Mirror about this vertical axis. Then entities to mirror. These are the entities to mirror. Okay. Then I am going to mirror these circles around the horizontal axis. The mirror entities about horizontal axis. So the entities to mirror, these are the entities to mirror. Okay, click OK. Okay, now we are ready to extrude this one. Here we are in the fully defined sketch. Okay. Okay, go to features, extrude. Extrude the thickness for the flange equal to 50 millimeter. Here you can see. Let's give 50 millimeter dimension. So then select the contours to extrude. These are the contours. So the reverse the direction. Okay. Also. Okay. Okay. These holes are countable holes. The major diameter for the countable hole is equal to 60 millimeter, and the primary diameter is equal to 30 millimeter. So let's again select extrude cut. So then again select the previous sketch. So then select these areas. Okay, then depth of countersink is equal to 10 millimeter. Use the 10 millimeter and click OK. Here you can see countable holes. Then this edge should be a chamfer edge. Select the chamfer. Thickness chamfer dimension 10 millimeter. Okay. Okay, this is how we are creating the flange of the pipe. Okay, now we are ready to draw the flange for this end. Here I am going to copy this sketch, previously drew sketch on this plane. Okay, let's go to sketch and select edit sketch. Then select all, hit Ctrl C, exit sketch. Okay, then select this face, then go to sketch. Then simply click Ctrl V. Here you can see the sketch has copied to this plane. Here, first of all, I am going to insert point, center point, then draw the point on this center of the circle. Okay. Then I am going to coincide this center point with this circle center. Select this point and with the control sign select this point and go to coincide. Click OK. Here now we are in the fully defined sketch. You no need to draw it again. Okay. So then now we are ready to extrude. Click extrude. Then select these contours to extrude. Reverse the direction. The extrude thickness is equal to 50 mm. Click OK. Here you can see the pipe plan. To create the counter bore holes, go to Extrude Cut. Select this sketch from the design tree. The depth for the holes, counter bore holes is 10 mm. Then select these areas. Click OK. So then for this edge, it's chamfer edge with the dimension of 10 mm. Okay, click OK. For this edge, it's a fillet edge. Go to fillet. Again the 10 mm fillet. This edge also a 10 mm fillet. Okay, this is how we are creating this kind of flange pipe bend using the SolidWorks. So whatever rendering you want, you can do. Okay, after assigning the material, here you can see the flange pipe bend. Okay, I think you all got a very clear idea how to create this kind of flange pipe bend using SolidWorks. Okay, thank you. See you next time.